All right, y'all, got another red day because the PPI inflation and producer price index went up. That's the price the producer pay. Their wholesale prices. Remember, when you spend, you are a consumer, so it's called a CPI. But their price went up, meaning inflation going up. So expect everything to go up, fast food and stores and everything else. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. That's why you got to be investing. You got to beat inflation. I think inflation is at 4.3 or 3.8% now. So if you're getting a raise and if it's not above the 3.8 or the 4.6, 4.3, you are hustling backwards and losing money. All right, let's go, man. We'll start off with ticker LFT. It's going down my list. Dividend play, risky. Yes, penny stock under $2. 15.79% yield payout every quarter. It's got a hard time getting under the $1.39 mark. So every time it runs up to there, I sell all these shares I'm buying now, and I just hold on to them until then and get that dividend. So I'm going at 112 again. As you can see, I have 1,912 shares at 139. So I'm going in at 112 again, buying up this cash flow. It will be a stock. Once I get out of it, I will be done with it. But just gonna have some fun with it right now. They can do a dividend cut like everybody else, reduce their dividend. Got to see, man, it's a 15% yield. It's not gonna be sustainable. There's just some things that y'all should know off top. These are for income. Like this stock here, I'm gonna give you PFLT. Just found out they reduced their dividend from 10.2 cents a share to 8 cents a share every month. The reason why the stock is coming down, but it's all good. It was a 10-point-something% dividend yield before. It was trading right now at a 14.03, but $7.68, 52-week low. It's every day I just go in and get like $2, $3 worth of it. I think this stock's still going to perform well, though, to be honest. So this will be one I will be buying. All right, let's go with Microsoft, man. Go with MSFT. They're down with 4103. I did start a position in this yesterday. I said I want to do a day trade or a swing trade with it. So I'm going to be buying shares. I brought $100 worth, but $15 worth today. So when it go up to about 426, whatever, I'm going to just sell all of it, rinse and repeat, and just make me some money. I don't care if I just make $8 every 2 days, $3 over a year's time. It will add up. So that's the plan here. Also get MSFO. This here the bread and butter. This broke down below the $12 mark. This was all the way up to like $12.87 before the things came back down, which means Microsoft was trading probably in the 430-ish range. So when Microsoft go up, this gonna go up. Added me some more shares. I got an average cost of $12.44, 633 shares. This pays out every week. Got down to $11.90. Going to pick up me a couple more shares, ride this on down. Microsoft is a long-term play anyway, not going anywhere. Pick up me some more of that. Make it 25. Now I do 5 shares after this one. All right, MSFO. I'm gonna go with FLO, Flowers Food. Another food stock. Like I tell you, the food stock catching a whooping. That's why I got out of Wendy's, sold in in green. Gonna leave it alone unless it come below the $7 mark. That's only my price target. Wendy's might be sustainable. They got somebody coming to buy them out. Dang, what's the anyway, I got to go back to it. You watched my video on yesterday. Got an overseas company that got 16% stake already in them, but I think they got to buy out. Somebody trying to buy them out, whatever. The stock is up, but still they have it. The ex-dividend date is like June 1st for the dividend, 14 cents a share. It's paid out June 5th, so having your shares, you will get 14 cents. I'm out of it. I'm done. So put them to other plays that pay out every week or every month. Flowers Food right here, 778, 12.24% yield. Got down, new 52-week low at 770. So, and it hikes its dividend every year. For y'all, that is upside down in that one. SoFi, Bank of the Future. Well, you have to buy and hold. This gonna go up to like 20. They say $32 in the future. Those gonna get at least 20. But this way you come by it, man, 1536. You know I'm taking that all day. It's gonna swing trade it. All the money gonna go back to my cash balance. SoFi. Let me see, gonna go with ORC, buy some more cash flow, 10 cents a share every month. Went in at went down to 692 today. Put my buy limit order in, pick up me two shares every day when it's below the $7 mark. I will sell my whole position of this when this go above, when it hit probably about I want to say about 760. Now I sell everything and rinse and repeat. If it come back down, if not, put it into a weekly pay. I got more monthly stuff I can buy anyway. It did reduce the dividend from 12 cents to 10 cents. All right, Ready Capital back at 166 again. $12 shares of that price. Lord, my average cost. I should have sold all of when it was at 216. But, oh well. Like I said, I'm going to operate lean on BDCs and REITs. Go get you some HRL. Another food play. I ain't going to lie, when it 5.78% yield P ratio at a 22. Can this come down some more? Yes. This is a dividend king. It's in the food industry. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Once I trade out of this one, I'm gonna be done with that. Also, the other one is General Mills, food stock. Once I get out of this one, I'm going to be done. Down to 33.60, 52-week low, 33.37, 7.15% yield. Price target low at the 41 from 45 to get to 40. You get to 38, I'm out, to be honest. I wouldn't feed none of this food to any of my kids or family. Nor to myself. Ain't nothing but processed foods and sugar. Another one I got out of, I still hold the play right here. Because I got a high average cost. I consider high 24.23. I do have a sell order in at 24.25. Soon as it hit it, I'm out with everything. Does have a nice dividend yield. Dividend play. It did have good earnings, 6.85% yield, 52 high, 29.19. That's Kraft Heinz. Like I said, I'm getting out of that food industry. Just want to point that out to you. Let me show you Nike. $41.70. Now it's at $42.12. Got this on recurring. $2 a day. So even on the green days, it'll buy it, lower this average cost without me looking. I'm at $56.97. PSEC. Prospect Capital, Lordale, dividend from 4.5 cents a share to 3.5. Like I said, REITs and BDCs, expected dividend cuts. Now it's at $2.30. Am I buying this? Yes, I am. Pick up me another 46 shares. I meant to do 100, but I take it. I'm at 262 average cost now. All these shares I'm buying since the dividend cut, I will be selling when they go back up to about 270 plus. PMT is another one I'm a swing trade. Got down to $10.30 today. It's at 10.48. Quarterly dividend, got about 11 with 15.3% dividend yield. Got this as a whole. And I'm going in at 10.30. This will go back past the $11 mark and everything gets back good. This way you want to buy when these stocks are cheap. So when they run up, the only way you're going to make profit, man, you got to buy. Remember, your profit is made when you buy, not when you sell. All right, we're going to go with FBY. Let's do Meta first. Meta got down to 596.66. Done ran back up already. 52-week low is 526. 521, 52-week high 797. That's why I've been buying FBY in my other portfolio, my Webull. I brought a probably additional 200 shares. Pays out every week also. Don't have a lot in this one because my average cost is low. I'm going at 993. All right, FBY. Well, I just showed you Meta. I'm sorry. It's FBY. SRLN. Buy and hold ETF right here over 7% yield. Pays 25 to 28 cents a share every month. It's another one you get. I tell you, put this one on recurring because that's a safe place, save money. Earn 8 cents a share every month. Got a dividend coming. 709 shares, $56.74. Buying dollars. I have to put this one on recurring investments also. I got an average cost of $4.22. I can do a recurring investment of $2 a day or $1 a day. Let it just build up by itself. So once it get past the $5 mark, I will be taking profits. Trust and believe. I take my initial investment out at least. Let the rest run. SCHD, when you go get, buy that every day, $3 a day. With SCHD. JEPI is another one I buy every day. In another portfolio though, along with SCHD in another portfolio. Over 9% dividend yield. JEPQ is another one. JEPQ. There we go, JEPQ. At $59 is probably this the S&P 500 here. You look at all his holdings, mimics the S&P 500. So I got this in my Roth. Another chance for a swing trade, reduce their dividend to another REIT from 30 cents a share a month to 17 cents. Is ABR, Arbor Realty. It's risky. Am I going to trade it? Yes, I am. Down to 569 today. People will jump back in and buy it. When it runs up, I want to sell it at like $7.18. Another one will be averaging on down in. It's risky though, so you don't like risk, stay out of it. Did PFLT. SLRC said they lowered the price to $14 on this. Why this coming down? You got this on recurring also, $2 a day. Pay a dividend every month. Like I said, the only ones you don't have to worry about the dividend cuts are the option income ETFs, but the only thing with them, they don't pay the same dividend every week. Sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more, but it's consistent. I'd rather do that than dealing with the other stuff. NFLX. Netflix still got a 52-week high of 134.12. The NFLY, the pair with it. $9.62 today. Got this on the dollar day recurring. Down to $9.58 today. Add me a piece of that on. Also got Whirlpool. That down to $40.51. Got an 10.78% yield. Stock down 20%. If I didn't have it, would I buy it? I would say no. I'm just giving it to y'all for the ones that are upside down in it. XLF I like, 5101. The financials ETF, definitely one to buy and hold at 5102. Got those top 10 holdings. Pause the video and look at them. I'm going to keep it going. HOOW options on Robinhood. I gotta say this app, man, like it don't be lagging, but it moves slow, but it's all good. I just get $2 of this every day. Got buy limit orders in at under $22. Then we're gonna go with SVOL. Which pays 28 cents a share every month. When it gets above the $17 mark, it pays 30 cents. I just go get $3 to $5 a day of this. All right, that's everything. We can go check out traps. Bank stocks coming down. I think Main Street Capital, I might just go in and dump this one. $51. I'm at 41. Sell this one and get up out of there. Has been doing nothing but coming down. Has been performing well. Does pay a dividend every month. So look at the last month. 52-week low, I know done came down 667. Think they had bad earnings also, but all good. Done with Main Street. Put that in another play like MSFO. While I'm up, get up out of it. SCM had decent earnings. At 1092, got this on 2 days. 2-day recurring, gonna be another one. I'm probably gonna dump. So I get green in it. This one here had a dividend cut also. All right, EFC, I put a sell limit order in. It's paid 13 cents a share. Has been performing well. But I put in one at the 52-week high, 1412, 11.57% yield. Why did I do it? Before I get some news about a dividend cut, I'm going to get out of it. This does have room to run still. PE ratio is at 8.1. Right now, MSFO is looking very, very good. Pays out every week with a high dividend yield. So that's why I did it before you get bad news on that. I just did that to get out of it. CHMI, I moved my sell limit up to $3. I might lower it back to $2.86 just to get up out of this one. What's the 52-week high right now? It's $3.15. This market not what it is. I'm going to take it back down to 286. I'm going to take that and get on out of here. 2.86. That's fine. I ain't being greedy. Get greedy in the market, you get screwed. And we'll be getting rid of a bunch of more BDCs and REITs. That's Starwood, 17, 16 at 1847. Go pick up some of this. Like I say, companies not having good revenues the way they were. The world is changing. So you got to adjust with it. MFIC, all this kind of stuff here, 1138. And 1106. It's another one. Then we look at stuff, not even $1 billion market cap, 13% yield, 1351 is the high, 52-week low, 948. See, so once those stuff like that get up, I got a sell limit on BetterFast, going to get rid of that one. Thinking about getting rid of this one while I'm all 12.2. 52-week high is 24.43. Think about getting rid of this one here too before anything happens. 24.43. Buy some right now and put the sell limit order in. Be one less play I got to worry about. They do pay out every month now. I get high yields in other places. Like I say, these REITs and BDCs, especially where the interest rate cuts are, they're not going to be making the profits and the revenue they were before. You know, Robinhood be on the BS with day trading things, so think about going and making my exit out of AFCG too. 587 is 52-week high. I don't see it going up to that. It's coming back down because people selling it. That's going to be another one. AFCG, CSWC, sell. Goldman Sachs BDC is one I like to swing trade. That's going to go back to 950, 980-ish. I got rid of all the Gladstone products. It's going to be another one that's going to go next. Not bad products to have. Like I said, I just got too many REITs and BDCs, man. These are the other products they had. That was Glad. I sold this one, Gain. So this did in the last week. Came on down. Glad I got out. 1537. But it is what it is. Like I say, still not. If you want income, they're not bad to have. They are something you can put on recurring investment. You're gonna be a born investor. Let it buy $1, $2 a day. That's still better than doing nothing. Everything else is looking good. Bull coming down. Might pick up a couple more of that. Robinhood not touching. Going in on SoFi. Bitcoin keeping all that. Ybit down 1.85%. That's on recurring. Coinbase down. PYPY. Go with the bull jab with that one. Don't even worry about it. I got a sell order in at $27.78 for a couple shares. Coinbase 2.9% discount. All right, everything else should be good. And that says the national storage thing. It's at $42. Go ahead and make my exit out of this one too. Ain't got much, up 37%. Can't get no better than that. I get the 5% yield from somewhere else. Easy energy stocks right here. 48, 6.5% yield. Going to take my money on this one and run. I can get that 7% dividend yield from somewhere else. Ain't all that serious. And one less K1 I got to do. I got the ETFs anyway I'm buying every day, like this one. It's the energy ETF, Global X, 7.15% yield here. So might sell that one also. I think energy done made us run. It's MLPA, MLPI, 5642. 5807 is the high. Got all these holdings here in it. We're gonna see. And that's everything, man. Y'all enjoy your day. Go get your money.